going on? What up, though, YouTube? Hey, check it out. I'm about to vacuum my truck out. Just got up early in the morning. Don't really feel like doing it, but I better take advantage of this beautiful day. All right. Now, one thing I love about cleaning my truck out is because I really don't have to do a whole lot. Because as you can see, I try to keep my truck clean. I even cut like some house carpet out of there because I don't like my truck to stay dirty. If I get this truck dirty, my truck, inside of my truck really be dirty one time. And then after that, it don't really be dirty no more because I don't like a lot of eating and stuff in here. And then you see that I got that on the back for the kids. See that? They be having grease in their hair and getting them back seats dirty. And they hate to ride in here. But they say I be fussing too much. They can't eat, they can't move, they can't do nothing. But that's how you got to keep your vehicle. So when you sell it, it'll be worth something, hopefully, you know. I got to wash it up too. Now the outside, on the other hand, kind of, as another story, kind of be dusty. Now you see that? I ain't got to do a whole lot. You know, I got the hand sanitizer and a disinfectant spray. And that's about it. So that's it, yeah. That's why I love vacuuming out my truck, because I really don't have to. Keep y'all inside clean. I'm out.
Perfect.